Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, this is the 2005 Exmark 72-inch Lazer Z. The deck on this machine is in good operating condition. As you can see, we haven't seen any major welds or anything anywhere. As far as we can tell, everything operates as it should. The seat's in pretty nice shape. It does have one tear there and a couple other little tears around on the seat. This is your console with your key switch, blade engagement, your throttle and choke, and your hour meter. The hour meter is reading 3,097 hours on it. Rear tires are approximately 60% life left. They do have a couple plugs in them in some spots, but they stay pumped up. This machine has a Kohler Command SP 27 horsepower engine with a heavy-duty air filtration system. Keeps the engine running longer and cleaner. The machine's in very good operating condition, and the hydraulic pumps and wheel motors operate as they should. We haven't noticed any leaking. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.